Hi there. In this video, we will dive into how you can customize your note types and formats and your visit types to add specific information or special sentences to your notes. Starting off, if you hit the Start Recording button to enter your recording view, and if you scroll down to your advanced options, you will notice that currently you're using a specific note type. Usually the SOAP note is a default note. Over here you can see a bunch of notes that you can choose depending on your visit or encounter that suits you best. But how can we customize these? Well, in order to customize these, you can head over to your settings. In order to head over to Settings, simply click on your profile, head over to Settings, and in the Settings tab, head over to Note Types. There's a lot of different customization options you can do in here. For example, if you like to change your brevity or how detailed you like your notes, you can click on this menu here and change if you like your notes short, detailed, or balanced. Also, if you scroll down, you'll notice that there's a bunch of default notes that are pre-built into Autochart.ai, from SOAP notes to progress notes to narrative notes to family meeting notes and much more. In order to design your own note, there's a few options available, starting off with New Note Type. With New Note Type, simply give your note type a name, special instructions for the AI model if needed, and the format of your note below. Moving on, if you hit the Learn My Style button, in this case, you can upload an example copy of your favorite type of notes, or you can copy and paste them as well in the example note and give it a special name, and the AI model will automatically learn your style and apply it to future notes. One thing to note, though, is that when you're typing in the format or when you're typing in, you're pasting in your note, please make sure that you're using Markdown, which is a newer type of text that is used widely across the internet these days. For example, if you like to use bold some words, you have to use 2 stars in front and 2 stars in the back. To italicize, use 1 star in the front, 1 star in the back. And to make a heading, use 3 pound signs. We'll see this in a bit. We'll dive into this in a bit more a bit later. If you like to use an existing template and just customize it to your liking, simply open up that template. So for example, if you like to customize a SOAP template, you can click on this button on the side here, or you can open it up and you can scroll down to hit Clone. Now, we can't edit these because these are defaults, but we can clone them or copy them, and it will automatically generate a copy for you. Now, you can give this a special name, like my SOAP note, and then in the Visit Type content is where you can change the instructions for the AI model. For example, if you like to combine the assessment and plan sections together, you can add that in here as well. So instead of 4 sections now, we will be telling the AI model to divide into 3 sections. You can also add more instructions, like if there are multiple issues discussed in the encounter, please separate them accordingly. Underneath, you'll notice the format of the SOAP note. Over here, it comes back to what we were talking about earlier about the Markdown, where we have the headings, italics, and bolds. You'll notice the subjective, objective, assessment, and plan is being set to headings. And also, you'll notice that right now, under each section is set to bullet points. If you like, you can also erase the bullet points and set it to numbered, or you can also type in a few numbers, and the AI model will understand what you would like to do. Once you're happy with your note, so we can just add as many customizations as we want, and then once you're happy with it, feel free to hit Save. Once you hit Save, you'll notice that your new note type is added to the top of the note types. To make this your default, simply hit the star right beside the note type. You can also archive or delete this note type as well. So from now on, when you hit Start Recording, you'll notice that your default note in your advanced options is set to the note type that you created. If you like to set an old encounter to your new note type, you can also do that as well. Simply hit the Regenerate button. Over here, you'll notice that the note type is set to my SOAP note again, and we can hit Regenerate Note, and now the note will be regenerated to the instructions we gave it and the note type. So there we go. We got the numbered list, and we also got the assessment and plan sections combined together. So that is how you can customize your note types and visit types to make your custom notes in Autochart.ai. If you're ever facing any problems, feel free to give us a message using the chat bubble in the bottom right corner and talk with our AI agent. We are constantly monitoring this chat to help you out as well, so please give us a few minutes and we'll be with you as well. If you like to, you can also email us at support.autochart.ai. Furthermore, if you like to book a one-to-one meeting, that is also available. Simply send us a message and we will arrange that for you as well. Thank you so much for watching and happy charting.